Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you see the SOS icon on the status bar of your device? In this video, I will show you different ways to get rid of it on your iPhone. Let's go. The easiest way to solve this problem is to turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Afterwards, your iPhone will start searching for a network signal again and the SOS icon should disappear. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a force restart. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Another reason for connection problems is an outstanding carrier update. Fortunately, your device is designed to automatically prompt you to update your carrier settings if one is available. However, if you haven't received a prompt, you can check for one manually. First, ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Next, open Settings and navigate to the General tab. Go to About and let the screen idle for a few seconds. An update prompt should appear shortly if there is any update. If so, simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the carrier update. It can also help to reset your network to factory defaults to resolve any issues you might have encountered. To reset your iPhone network settings, open Settings and navigate to General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Reset and choose the Reset Network Settings option. Then enter your device passcode to confirm the action and start the reset process. Please note that your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular, VPN, and APN settings will be restored to factory defaults. However, you can easily reconfigure them once the reset is done. Also, don't worry, no personal data like photos, contacts, or other files will be deleted from your device. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.